Welcome to our tutorial on how to send a GIF on Twitter using your PC. GIFs are a fun and engaging way to communicate with others on social media. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open Twitter on your PC by visiting the website or logging into your account. On the left side of the page, locate and click on the Messages tab to access your direct messages. In the address box within the Direct Messages section, enter the name S or username CS of the people you want to send a message to. Click Next to proceed to the message composition screen. Next, look for the GIF icon within the message composition window and click on it to search for and select a GIF from Twitter's media library. Once you have chosen the GIF you want to send, click the Send button or press the Enter key to send the message along with the GIF. By following these steps, you can easily send a GIF on Twitter to add a creative touch to your conversations. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to send a GIF on Twitter from your PC. Stay tuned for more social media tips and tricks.